There's the BioLite charging up. That's the campsite. There's Kitty. We are going for an evening kayak. Not that bay, that's where we came, but around this bay. It actually goes a little bit further that way. And we'll see what we shall see. Bad weather's possibly forecast for the rest of the trip, but we're having fun today. It looks daunting, so this is about half an hour after our kayak. That was windy, but it was sunny, and now you can see it's not really that sunny. You probably can't hear it, but we have a lot of thunder. So, I'm ready. I have my raincoat. Kitty has hers, supplies ready. Red wine. Wine in a bag, one of the greatest inventions of all time. So, cheers from us, and I will try and capture the storm this time. Now about 5 minutes later, and we've seen some lightning and some rumbling, so we capture it. I will edit this. It's going really still now.
The waves are less.
Ah, turkey vultures are out of the sky, that's a sign.
You need to capture the chain of lightning.
I hope I caught that. That was a nice rumbler. Probably won't catch it on this equipment, but it was 7 seconds.
A long rumble.
Are you feeling happy? Or?
I like the idea of thunderstorm.
Yes. Very good. I am less impressive. So far, I'm not seeing any green, which is a good thing.
I'd like you to get one of the big cracks. Some rain. Oh, quick up.
Kitty's leaving. It's starting to rain. Probably can't see this too well. Base of the thundercloud was heading directly at us, but it seems to be moving. There's the thunder. Probably can't see this, but it's moving very fast, and it is going to skirt as it was heading directly at us. It's good it's not. But right behind that you can see how much moisture's coming down, I think. Give me a zoom. We really don't want to be kayaking out on the lake in this. Look at that. See it coming? Woohoo! That's behind the thunder. Look at that. That is a lot of rain. We've already got a fair amount of rain, as you can probably see. But that is a ton of rain coming down. Visibility dropped. Kitty's gonna be mad she missed this. Look at that. Wind's starting to get up. It's raining hard. It's coming right in. Wind's picking up, getting about 45 to 50 kilometers an hour. Not so much gusting yet, but it will. Now this is just a summer storm. This isn't anything exceptional. Alright. I'm out of here. This is getting really bad. I'm leaving my line cut to see what's going on. Let's get back to the tent. Woo! He's in there sleeping. Another workout for our tents. Woo, look at that. So I made it back in the tent. Probably use a GoPro after this. Well, the tent survived, so did I. And now we're having a rain day. I checked on Kitty and she was okay. So she's eaten most of the emergency rations, which is fine. It's now about 3:15. It's only been about an hour or so. It's only put down about 1/4 of an inch. Thunder's gone, lightning's gone, and it's just a rainy day. How you doing? What? How you doing?
I'm okay.
Are you dry in there?
Yeah.
Are you coming out?
No.
Alright, catch you later. She'll have to come out at some point. That's campsite 2, the inner chuck. Kitty's tent. That's the mainland. Toilet, attic, fire pit and Kitty. This is a perfect swimming place.